So guys, on this video, I will show you how you can use this website, Paidwork, to make money online. You'll be able to use this website to even make up to $10 by using this website. They have an app, Apple Store, they have an app on Google Play Store. I'm going to show you how you can register on the web browser. If you want to register on the web browser, that is the first thing you need to do before you download the application. Click on this three-dot icon and click on register. Once you click on registration, it's going to open up this page, and what you have to do, you can register either with your Google account, your Apple account, or your Microsoft account, or you can register directly with your Gmail account. Enter your Gmail, enter your password, click on next, and it will take you to the next step on how you can complete and verify your account. They will send you an email on your Gmail account, just email like this. This is the type of email you will receive. Hello, Godspower. So once you have verified your account, go back again to this website, which is called Paidwork. So let us assume now that you have registered your own account. Now you are going to download the application. So we are going to click on where it says get it on Google Play Store. We'll click on that. It's going to take us directly to Google Play Store. You can see they have almost 17K review on our Google Play Store, and you can see that they have 5 million plus download, and you just have to do is to click on install. And we are going to wait for this application to be installed on my Android phone. So as you can see, the application, which is Paidwork, have just been installed on my smartphone, and all I just need to do is to click on open and log into my own account. I will click on open now and log into my own account now. So I'm logging in now since I just click on the application. So once your account open, this is what you will see, and you will see everything that you are seeing. Your earnings 0, yesterday 0, today 0, in the last 7 days 0. Everything you will see it, even your balance will be 0, because you have not started using the application to start making money, or you have not started accumulating money with the application or the website, which is Paidwork. If you scroll down here, you will see it will tell you to verify your email account, and you can add additional information about yourself. When you add this additional information, it's how they are going to study the type of things you can do and give you more services that you can perform. So how to perform your activities to earn money, you can click on this three icon. Once you click on it, it will open up this page. So the first way you can start using to make money is to click on this section where it said earn. So once I click on the earn icon, it's going to open this. On this part, you'll be able to play games and earn money. To do that, if I click on earn now, it's going to open up and show us multiple apps or places where we can go and download applications, start playing all those applications, and we'll be accumulating money from those applications, and they will pay us on our Paidwork website. And that is how you can. If we go back again here, you can see this section where it said fill out surveys. So this part where it said fill out surveys is a part where you'll be able to take surveys and you earn money by doing that. If I click on that, it's going to open up. Those are websites that you can go and use and take surveys, and you will start using them to make money. Let me say I want to use this one that say pull fish. If I click on pull fish now, it's going to take us to this session. You are seeing what it's telling us. So we are going to take a survey of up to 1 minute, and we are going to make money. So they are going to monetize, see everything that we are doing, and once we complete any surveys, we are going to get paid. If I click on start tutorial now, it's going to open the surveys, and we are going to complete it, and once we are right with everything that they ask us to do, we are going to earn money by doing that. Let us go back. That is how you can use the fill out surveys and take surveys and make money. On the part where you say watch videos, on this part, you'll be able to watch videos and earn money. If I click on now, it's going to show website that you can be able to watch video from, and they are going to pay you on your Paidwork account. So that is how it works. It's very simple, and you can do that even if you don't have any skills. So if I go back now and you come here again, on this section, you'll be able to shop online and earn money. If I click on online shopping, I click on earn now, it's going to open up this website to us, and it's going to tell us to install our Chrome extension, which means this one you are going to use it from your browser, from your computer. On this one, you cannot do it from your smartphone, or you can do it by clicking through from here, and you can go directly to the website and shop from your favorite website and earn money from it. You can find a lot of websites here, even Fiverr, as shop from them, and you will earn money by doing that. So to install their Chrome extension, you have to be from your computer. Install it on your Chrome browser, and you are good to go. Search for the Chrome extension on the Chrome store, which will be a Paidwork. Just search for Paidwork on Chrome extension. You'll find the application, install it, and you'll be able to start using it to shop. And the Chrome extension will calculate and track every order you are placing online, and they are going to pay you money by just doing that. Let us go back. So if we go back again here, on this part where it says services, if I click on services here, on this part, you'll be able to do a lot of things. Like people will give you tasks to do. Like people can tell you, go and watch a particular video. I will pay you 70% of what you order. Or let us say, for example, you're someone who is buying things online. You will get paid by doing that. It can be like they will ask you to go and like watch a particular video and come back and give them the information about what you think, how you like the videos and all these other things, etc., etc. You will earn money on the part where it's a course. If I click on course now, it's going to show us a lot of things we can do. You can see what you can do: writing articles, graphic designer, programming, translation, testing, making videos, creating animation. So those are things that you can do, and you will get paid by just doing it from this particular website, which is called Paidwork. So all these services are here. Once you click on it, you'll find a lot of all these services that you can do, and you will get paid in return by completing all these services. So that is how it works. People are ready to pay you more than that $10, even up to $700 online by using this website. On this part where you see under course, you will see a part where you say task. On this part, say choose tasks related to the subject of your course. Answer the question to do task and start earning. So it's simple like what I told you. Here you can select the type of task you have completed or you can complete, and focus and understand and do everything that they are asking you to do. Or you can just scroll down here and select the task that you want to do, and people will pay you money. You can see people will pay you up to 45 cents to 10 cents and $1 up to more, even $10 by you completing this particular task on this website. You can filter it by category. You can just come here, scroll up again, filter it by categories and hours and time you can spend to do that type of activities, and people are ready to pay you money to do that. That is how it works, guys. It's very simple. And now you can use this website, which is Paidwork, to make money online by completing simple tasks online. Let us say you want to duplicate the amount, like you want to make money with multiple areas on this website, which is you already have this way you can use to make money. And click on these three dots again. And on this part, you are going to use the affiliate program to make money. You can see the section where it said referral program. If I click on referral program here, it's going to pop this up. Here you are going to see, say, invite a friend or someone from the internet to earn money on Paidwork. If the person make their first payout, you both will get $10 for free. Read more. If you click on read more, you will read more about what they are talking about how you can refer people and make more money. So all you have to do is to copy your link, go and share it with your friend. Anyone that click on that particular link and sign up on Paidwork, you are going to make $10 if they pay out, if they cash out their first payment on this website, which is called Paidwork. So that is how you can start using this website to start making real money online. So now I bring you back to the main website on Chrome Web. So you can see here on the Chrome Web, you can see this website on Trustpilot. They have 13,312 review on Trustpilot, which is a good thing. You can go to the website, tell me what you think. And what is still good is that this website, you can add your own language here. You can come here, select your preferable language. If you don't speak English, you can find multiple languages here and you can use it in French, in Italian, in Spanish. So in a multiple language here, all you just need to do, come here, select the language you speak, and you can do that. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video. This website, I would say that it's available in most, I would say almost all country. I would say almost all country, because maybe there's some country that they have been retreated from, but they have not entered it yet because I don't have any information about that. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video. I will just tell you, like this video, share it, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to let your friend know about me and about the type of content I'm creating like this. And I talk about how you can make money with affiliate program, taking survey just like this video that you just watched, and multiple other ways that you can make passive income online. So I'll end this video from here. Like I said, don't forget, like, share, and comment. Let me know what to think about this video in the comment section. Thank you very much, guys. Always pray and always be careful when you want to use any services that is called make money online. Do your proper research before you use any services. Thank you.